Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a bootable USB for Ubuntu 24.04 desktop AMD 64 using Rufus software with MBR Partition Scheme. This method is especially useful for BIOS-based or older systems. If your computer is an older model, typically before 2015, it will most likely require MBR. Let's get started. First, download the Ubuntu ISO file. Now open Rufus. After opening Rufus, under Device, select your USB drive. Next, click on Select and choose the Ubuntu 24.04 ISO file you downloaded. Now comes the most important step. Under Partition Scheme, select MBR. This is used for systems running in legacy BIOS mode. Under Target System, it will automatically show BIOS or UEFI-CSM. Keep file system as FAT32 and leave other settings as default. Now, click Start. Rufus may ask, write in ISO image mode? Select write in ISO image mode, recommended. Then click OK. Remember, all data in the USB will be erased, so make sure you have taken backup. Now, the process will begin. Wait until the status bar becomes green and shows ready. Once it's done, your Ubuntu 24.04 bootable USB with MBR partition is successfully created. This USB can now be used to install Ubuntu on systems that support legacy BIOS. If you want to create a bootable USB for UEFI systems, select GPT under the partition scheme. This ensures that your bootable USB will support UEFI mode. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.